I had my one doll out. I was half tempted not to pull her out, but put her up against the EMF. I bought a Boo Junior, which has the EMF in it, and it's kind of lighting up crazy.
That's crazy.
Kind of like
I know she said she did that when she was on since we started this, and I was like, oh, put an EVP back there.
Right.
See what you can come up with.
That I have EVPs, but I have not really played with them because I don't know if I really want to hear the voices.
That's true.
Behind these items.
It is kind of, especially if it's in your house. I mean, you don't really want to be having that in your head, you know.
So have you had some...
We've had our kitchen lights pop on. We've had curtain rods fall down.
It's crazy.
That's what I was going to ask. Yeah, what kind of activity you've experienced with them?
With this doll. The doll that I got off of eBay, I asked the lady, and I was like, why are you selling it? And she didn't want to sell it for some reason. And she's like, I have to warn you, it's possessed. And I was like, yeah, right, you know.
Right.
And then she's like, no, I'll show you pictures. And it had, like, circles with the stars. And she's like, I'm not sure if it's blood or what. And it had perfume smell. So I got the doll, and it had teeth with it. It had hair with it.
Wow.
You name it, it's got with it. And then it had drawings all over it. And yeah, she makes things fall.
I bet. That sounds crazy.
Can you send us a picture of that doll?
Yeah, I want to see
that.
Yeah, I'd be curious.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that'd be cool to see that.
Yes, I can send that picture. And then, like, a few friends are like, can I have her? And I was like, I'm not ready to part with her, but...
Not yet.
When the time is right.
That's cool.
But I did part with a few others.
So what's one of the craziest things you've had happen since you own all these items?
Probably, I think it was a few weeks ago. I went into the restroom, and I went to brush my teeth, came back out, and Joe, with Bailey's husband, but he was like, did you just turn on the kitchen light? And I was like, what are you talking about? He's like, the kitchen light's on. And I was like, no, I was in the bathroom. And then it flipped off.
Oh,
and I was like, okay.
So it went on and off, and you weren't even in there.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Well.
So then I actually walked up and walked past one of the kids' toys, and it still does it. I'll walk past, I think it's these like little puzzle things where you take them and you put them on spots for kids. It goes off whenever I walk by it. Just randomly, the noises for the animals start going off, and I'm like, okay.
Oh, that's crazy.
But usually around 1 or 3 a.m. is when things tend to happen.
Very active time. Very active.
The witching hour.
Yes. Between 1 and 3.